Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product Dental Biometrics, human identification based on dental work information. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. The identification of the person using any one of the human body part is called an biometric authentication. The main advantage of the dental biometrics is that it cannot be faked by any other persons. The identification of persons through biometric uses several human biometrics for the identification of the persons. The dental biometric is employed for this process. The dental regions were unique for the persons and hence the persons can be identified more effectively. The dental images were segmented and features were extracted from the segmented portions. The extracted features were then classified in order to recognize the persons. The performance of the process is measured by using the performance metrics like accuracy, sensitivity. Hence, this process is more reliable for the biometric systems to identify whether the person is authenticated or not. If the person is not authenticated means it will be displayed as a message box. Hence, the feature extraction and classification is more efficient and reliable. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. After getting the input image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing step, we have to resize the image into the aspect ratios, and if the noise is present in the image means we have using the noise removal, that is the filtering is applied. After the pre-processing step, we using the upper and lower jaw segmentation process. In the upper and lower jaw segmentation, we have to segregate the upper portion and lower portion separately from the image, and other backgrounds will be eliminated. After the segmentation result, the feature extraction is carried out. In the feature extraction module, we have to extract the separate features from the image. The feature is nothing but the collection of data from the image. Apart from the whole matrix, we extract some of the data like the textures and patterns extracted from the image. After the feature extraction, the feature is considered as an test feature. Then the matching process is done by using the distance based matching or classifiers. In the matching process, we matching whether the input data is matched to the database. If the input data feature is matched to the database means the person is authenticated, otherwise the person is not authenticated. Likewise, the classification will be done, and hence the performance is measured to justify whether the process is efficient or not. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2013 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means just right click in the main.m file and select the option run. Now the dataset folder was opened. In that you can see the several dataset images. Select any one image and then click the button open. After the selection of the input image, the selected image is shown in the figure file. Now the process is done automatically. Now we discuss the results one by one. Now the selected input image is shown in the figure 1 with the title input image. Then the blurred image is shown in the figure 2 with the title blurred image. Then the pre-processed image is shown in the figure 3. In this pre-processed step, the blurring is removed by the filtering technique. Then we have applying the grayscale conversion. The grayscale conversion is nothing but to convert the RGB image into the grayscale format. Then by applying the some threshold limit, we have to convert the grayscale image into the binary. The binary image consists of the only two pixel values, that is the ones and zeros. The ones regions represents the truth region and the zeros region represents the background region. Then the upper jaw segmentation is applied and then the lower jaw segmentation is applied. In the upper jaw segmentation image, the upper jaw image only shown in the binary format, and then the lower jaw segmentation result shows the lower jaw only in the binary format. Then the box separation is used to segment the each and every tooth regions separately. Then the textures are applied to extract the features from the image. After extracting the textures, the classification is applied. This teeth belongs to the person 1 is the classification result shown in the message box. Hence the person is authenticated or not is displayed in the message box. Here the input image is authenticated, so the results is displayed is the person is authenticated. Then the performance estimation is carried out. In this performance estimation, we have identified rate as 95%, then total number of person is 10, then the total images is 40, then the correctly classified are 7, then the identified rate is 95%.
Thanks for watching this video.